Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. Also, in addition to my weekly YouTube videos and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home, and I recently released my latest planner, the Divine Life and Home Planner. It comes in a dated and an undated version, and it can be found on Amazon. However, information about the planner and the course will be in the description box below. So welcome to week 27 of the Weekly Declutter Challenge. This week, we are going to declutter our kitchen drawers. Now, I know this may sound overwhelming or even a bit difficult because you may be like half of the world, or actually 3/4 of the world, who have a ton of things in their kitchen drawers that it can be overwhelming. Some of these things can be a junk drawer that has more things than you even need. So do not let this part of the challenge overwhelm you. We have the entire week and you can actually do things one at a time. So if you have multiple drawers in your kitchen, you can just do one at a time, because the purpose of this challenge is to make sure that we have the time designated for each project. So the first thing we're going to do is actually remove everything out of them. So this can be your junk drawer, your utensil drawer, your pots and pans, whatever it is, we're going to remove everything from it. Once everything is removed, we're going to actually clean it. So even if you are the most cleanest person, I'm sure there's a little dust. And if you're not the cleanest person, you may actually have like ketchup spills or syrup or anything like that. So we're going to take this time and clean it. You can either use something small like a microfiber cloth with some all-purpose cleanser if you're just getting a little dust. But if you have a big spill, you may want to use more of a harsher or a stronger solution. So either way, you're going to get it clean and get it dry. Once it's clean and dry, you need to determine what is the purpose of this drawer. It's going to be something for your silverware, your utensils, your cups, spices, whatever it is, you want to determine what you're going to do with it. And once you've actually determined it, now you can take your time and put things back in. Don't make it a rush, but actually take your time and put back only the things that you want to keep in that drawer. Now, once you've done that, you probably have things that are left over that you don't know what you're going to do with them. So this is the time for you to decide what you're going to do with those things. If it's obviously trash, go ahead, throw it in the trash or recycle it if it's something that can be recycled. And for all those other items, you just need to find a home for them. If it's something that you use and may use often, then you can find a home for them and use it. If it's something that you rarely use or you don't even know why you have it, this may be an item that you may want to just donate or give to a family member or a friend. But either way, your drawers are going to be nice and organized and less cluttered. So thank you for doing this part of the Declutter Challenge with me. If you are not signed up for the Declutter Challenge, the only thing you have to do to join the challenge is to make a conscious effort to want to have a decluttered home and life. I will leave a link to the blog post, which has the printable on it, which shows you what we're doing for each of the 52 weeks in this year. So that will be in the description box below. And I do thank you for watching this video and staying to the end. So please, in the comment section, let me know how many drawers are you going to be able to declutter this week. I would love to know, and I would love to encourage you. If you are not a member of the private Facebook group, I'm inviting you to join the private Facebook group. In the group, you can ask direct questions to me or other people that are trying to live a decluttered life and home. So thank you very much for watching this video, and have a divine day. Goodbye.